Hi Naptime friends, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really awesome video. Look at all the goodies the lovely and wonderful Suzana Dancks and Laura from Laura's Art Corner sent me. I am just like so thankful and honored, like from the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys so much. Look at all this awesome stuff they sent me, and we are going to do some fun stuff with these. I just wanted to share with you guys how pretty the LeRez Expressions products are. So this one is Silver Rose, and it's a metallic epoxy pigment paste. If you're in the US, you can get these from Laura's Art Corner on Facebook, or internationally, I will link Suzana's information and Laura's information. I will link that all down below in the description box. But look at how pretty this is. My camera is like not even focusing. It's so gorgeous. And then this is the Steel Blue, and this is a metallic epoxy paste. This blue, you guys, look at that. It reminds me of like an electric blue. Bomb. This one is Luscious Plum. It's a deep, very shimmery purple. I have this one, one of these in Nebula Violet. It's a brighter purple. This deep purple is gorgeous. It's a very beautiful plum color. And this, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to try this either. This is the Misty Green. Look at how beautiful. See that? Misty Green. I'm going to use this for Ocean. My first Ocean. That's going to be coming up in a future video, so don't forget to subscribe. And this one is Blue Star Sirius, and I've tried this one before. It is gorgeous. It's very sparkly. It's very nice for accenting, and it sits on top super beautifully too. You want to add this on top of your color, like if you're doing a darker blue color, add that on top to give it some sparkle. This one is beautiful. It's apatite blue. This is kind of like a mermaid color. Do you see it's kind of green? I don't know if my camera can pick that up. It looks dark in the container, but it's like a green blue. And this, I've been dying to try this. This is from Laura, the Sassy Red Epoxy Pigment Paste. This is a deep, luscious red. I'm gonna use this today too. And then these are the glitters. These are ultra fine glitters. They're a particle size 1/128. Can you see that? Super fine, great for resin art. This one is diamond blue. Check that out. Can you see that okay? Look at that. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to... This one, oh my gosh. It's Indigo Galaxy. It seriously reminds me of an Indigo Galaxy. I might use this one too. I was going to use Rainbow. This one is bomb. I love it. I was going to use Rainbow because I'm going to be using a lot of colors in my pour. Come on, focus. I'm going to be using a lot of colors, like I said, so I don't know if the Rainbow or the Indigo. We'll see, but this Indigo, oh my gosh. Love it. Love it. I have tried this product, the Special Shimmer Effects Powder Pigment. Say that 5 times fast. Special Shimmer Effects Powder Pigment, Glitz and Glam, Milky Way White Green. So this has like a green undertone to it. It's hard to tell in the bottle, but it reminds me of an iridescent glitter, but this is super fine. I have the Supernova, which is an undertone of purple in this. So I've used this product before, just not this color, and oh, I'm in love. I love it. I've been dying to try this one. So thank you so much for sending me this, Suzana. I appreciate you. This one's the Suncatcher, and I'm going to use this today too. Can you see it has like a gold undertone on there? Oh my gosh, I love it. This one is so stunning. It's Plum Surprise, and it's a very deep, can you guys see that? It's a very deep plum purple with all that balm shimma in there. You guys see that okay? Sorry if you can hear like a humming. I have my exhaust fan on low. In my art room I have a exhaust fan that sucks the stank air out. So that's what that little like humming is, if you can hear that. So I apologize for that. I'm trying to get this color so you can see how bomb this is. I love this. It's Stardust. It's just white, and I love to use this stuff. You guys see me use this stuff in all my videos. I'll probably use this in every single pour. And then also I'm going to use the Angel White today. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to open all these up and like show you guys the inside of the packaging and all that, because I just don't want to open it unless I'm about to use it, if that makes sense. Here's the Apatite Blue. Check it out. It's so beautiful. It's got like a green blue color shift. It's like a mermaid color. That's what I keep calling it. I love it. It's a bomb. And look at the Sassy Red. Oh my gosh, I've been looking for a true red for a long time, so I'm so happy. This is Suncatcher. It's so beautiful. It's got like a gold undertone. Can you see that? It's kind of hard to tell on camera. And then of course the Angel White, my favorite white. And this is how much paste I use in a little 3-ounce cup of resin. Not much at all, just a little dollop on the end of my popsicle stick. So today we're going to re-pour over these two guys. It's just 11 by 14 glass panels. I popped out of a picture frame, and I taped the back with electrical tape. So I'm going to use the Apatite Blue, Sassy Red, Suncatcher, Angel White, Plum Surprise, and a little bit of the Marron Gold. I'm going to use my Promarine tabletop epoxy, and I'm going to mix that up for 3 minutes off camera. I will be right back. So I'm going to start with the Apatite Blue and just kind of make a diagonal line going across the glass here. And I didn't prep these because I had just poured on them the day before, so I just cleaned them off with some isopropyl alcohol and a rag, but I didn't sand them down or anything. Now I'm going to go in with the Plum Surprise and just kind of go around and fill in some of the spots on the piece here, giving it a little bit of a sparkle. Now I'm going in with the Sassy Red and just going along where my little snake is and filling in any spots where I wanted to have more red. And this red, you guys, is so beautiful. It's a deep, true red. It's amazing. I love it. Now I'm just adding a little bit more of the Apatite Blue. And some Angel White. I'm just kind of going to go on top of the red here. I think that the red and the white will give some really nice cells and lacing. I'm gonna add some white over on this one too. I love the Angel White because you can get cells and lacing with it, or you can make it look really soft and wispy So it's really an awesome pigment because, you know, you could put it on top of one of your colors and move it around and get some awesome cells, or you can put it next to your color and heat it up and make it wispy and soft. So it's really just an awesome paste. Here I'm just going in with the Maron and kind of just filling in any spots that I saw where I needed some more paste. And now I'm going in with the Suncatcher. Oh man, you guys, this is like my new favorite thing. I swear it's beautiful. The Suncatcher and the Sassy Red together is something else. It's really pretty. I'm going to try to put Suncatcher in Sassy Red. Shout out to Lisa Wyatt Art. Go check her channel out if you're not subscribed already. She just made a trinket box with resin, and she put lollipop red or something like that, and then she added the Suncatcher to it, and man, that color was gorgeous. So I'm going to try that with the Sassy Red too because it was really pretty. So here I'm just going in with my heat gun on high heat and popping bubbles. I just like to go over the entire piece, get the resin nice and warmed up so it moves around easier, and it's going to give me some cool effects. And before you turn on your heat gun, make sure you point it away from your piece for 5 seconds. Turn it on just to blow out any dust boogers or any debris that might have settled up in there when you weren't using it. Shout out to Doris at DF Designs for that tip. So I'm just going in with my heat gun and really just moving these colors around, just blending them, trying to push the colors over each other, taking my heat gun at an angle and just moving the resin around. Watch when the apatite blue and the red blend together. It makes some really awesome colors. Those two colors go really nice together, and then the plum surprise too. Next time, I think I added a little bit too much shimmer to this one, so next time I'll only use one of the glitz and glam pigment. So I like to start in the corner when I'm just moving my resin around. Just because when you start in the corner, you know, you have more room to move everything up. If you start, you know, halfway up your piece, then you've only got a little bit of room to move all your colors and blend them together. Here I'm just taking my finger and kind of just dabbing. There was a couple spots where the resin didn't want to stick, so just take your finger and go in and just dab those out. So I'm gonna call the one on the left here done. I'm gonna take that one to my dust-free zone, and I'm gonna add a little bit more apatite blue to the one on the right. So I just put down my apatite blue, and then I'm going to add some suncatcher on top of there to give me some nice shimmer. And the apatite blue and the suncatcher, they celled up together on their own in some spots, and it gave some really pretty awesome cells. I was like, wow, that's gorgeous. It looked like a mermaid scales or something like that. So I'm just going in with a little bit of the angel white on top of those colors, and I'm adding a little bit more gold, not too much. Sorry, my big old head's in the way. I was just adding some Suncatcher up on the top there to break up that gold section, and then I added a little bit more Sassy Red and some Apatite Blue. And now I'm going to go in with my heat gun and kind of just blend this all out to kind of mix it up and break up that big gold section that was there. See, just like that, blend it out. It made it a really nice color. Like I said before, the Sassy Red and the Apatite Blue will give you kind of like a purpley undertone. It doesn't make like a actual purple, but it gives you a purple undertone. And then I went down in the corner here and just kind of mixed those colors together, moved that around. I'm going to add a little bit more blue here. Now I'm just going to go in and take my heat gun at an angle on high heat and just blow that apatite blue up into the sassy red to kind of blend it out. See how pretty that looks together? I love it. I'm just going to go right up here too and break up this gold section, add a little bit more blue just to kind of break it up a little bit. And I'm just going to move that blue up into the gold a tiny bit, and that's it. I'm going to call this guy done too. I'll see you in 24 hours after they're all dry. And here they are. My camera was having a hard time focusing because they're so sparkly, but look at how pretty they turned out. This one's really awesome. I love the plum with the apatite blue. Those go really nice together. I'm going to take you in for a little close-up. You can see the white too gave some nice cells right there. This one has more cells than the other one, so it's nice because one has cells and then one's kind of more wispy, so they're sisters, not twins, right? And then you've got the gold on there sitting nice and pretty on top. Here's the one that I was working on the right. See what I mean? This one's a little bit more blended. I was afraid of adding too much heat, so I put the one on the left to bed early, but I really love this one. This one's my favorite out of the two. It's very wispy. I love it. See how pretty that white is, the angel white? All these colors go really nice together. It reminds me of like a rainbow. See how pretty that glitz and glam is? It gives you such a sparkle. And the apatite blue, oh my gosh, that one might be one of my new favorites too. I have so many favorites. It's so hard to pick one. They're just amazing. What do you guys think about these? Let me know down in the comments. And the sassy red is just a gorgeous deep red. You guys got to get it if you're looking for a deep red color. And it goes really nice with the apatite blue because the apatite blue is a metallic. So the sassy red's opaque. So the opaque and the metallic go really nice together. I wanted to include some still shots for you guys so you could see what they look like just in still photos. What do you guys think about these? Do you like this one that's more wispy and blended? Or do you like the one that cells, lots of cells, this one here? I'd like to know what you guys think. Let me know down in the comments. I always make my art and then I'll like hate it. I'm like, oh my gosh, I hate this piece. What was I thinking? And then I'll show it to people and they'll be like, oh my gosh, I love it. So I like to get people's opinion because, you know, everybody's different. People like different stuff. So what I like, someone else might not like, and the other way around too. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you so, so much. And I hope everybody is having a great day. I'll see you on Wednesday for another video. Bye.